Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.